Welcome to the Mulia Resort and Villas, Nusa Dua, Bali. Your well-being has always been our utmost priority, especially today with the delicate situation relating to COVID-19. Our team has been diligently putting in place elevated safety and sanitation protocols, adhering to the WHO guidelines to prepare for when you are ready to travel again. For general safety, please ensure that masks are worn all the times when you are at Mulia Bali. Our team continuously monitors incoming guest body temperature through a thermal scanner at our lobby. Implementation of safe distancing in public areas will take place, including a screen protector on information and services desk, as well as a limited capacity per vehicle when it comes to transfer services. Upon arriving in the resort, all incoming luggage is sanitized. Our staffs are required to wear masks at all times with a strict practice on self-hygiene. Sanitized stationaries are provided for guests upon registration. Hand sanitizers would be something guests would conveniently find across the resort with high visibility. We also increased the frequency of cleaning and sanitizing of all common public areas in the resort, as well as high touch point areas such as guest rooms, elevators, door handles, railings, restaurants and kitchens using international standard disinfectants, and the use of electrostatic machines when high intense disinfection is needed. Additional room amenities such as masks and sanitizer will also be available for your convenience. Diners can now dine with ease, as all restaurants are adhering to strict guidelines, adapting to the new normal, such as sanitizing of restaurant areas after each meal period, including tables and chairs, as well as proper implementation and strict supervision of all staff hygiene and sanitation policies. After a proper body temperature check and hand sanitization, guests could dine at the assigned table, now with additional spacing between all tables and seating a minimum of 6 feet apart, with a maximum seating of 4 people per table. Safe food practices are done as recommended, including providing well-cooked meats and temporary removal of uncooked dishes in all restaurants. We have also adopted a low-touch approach wherever possible during the stay experience. Mulia has extended an Enrich program and menus with an emphasis on wellness and immune boosting to promote a healthy body, mind, and spirit. Our state-of-the-art gym practices social distancing on all programs, as well as a daily deep cleaning of all equipment and sanitizing with medical-grade disinfecting solution containing 70% alcohol after each usage. Signs like this are placed at various locations to indicate the safety policy in detail. Should you require further information, our team will be more than happy to assist you. As the new normal continues to develop, Mulia Bali is committed to constantly adapting and implementing new and available technologies or systems to ensure a safe environment for all staff and guests. Stay safe, stay inspired, and keep the wanderlust alive.